In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WinProFX. Now, the first thing you want to do here, once you're on the dashboard, you can navigate around with your buttons here on the left or at the very top over here. And I'm going to go over what each and every single one of these can do, okay? So the first thing, you have trading over here. In here, you can see all your accounts. And then inside your accounts, you can open up real accounts, you can open up demo accounts, and see your archived accounts, okay? Of course, if you haven't verified your identity yet, you'll be able to do that over here as well. Or if you want to explore their new IB portal, you can just go to the IB portal over here. After that, you have the trading summary. Here you can see the summary of your trades for, of course, all your accounts. And then here you can see the history of orders and then the web terminal as well, where you basically will be able to access the web trader, the MT5 web trader over here, using your login and password, which is basically the login and password for your account you created, okay? So after that, you can see you have the payment and wallet. Here you can go ahead and deposit to your account by just selecting one of these methods. I have a detailed tutorial on this on my channel, so you can go ahead and watch that too. Here you'll be able to withdraw from your account. And then you can do an internal transfer if you want to as well over here. And then you can see your transaction history here on your account transaction history. Here you can also go to the social trading panel where you can go ahead and sign in to their platform to actually start social trading. You can see the PAMM over here, and it's going to take to their PAMM account. So this is basically the percentage allocation management module. You can go ahead and basically get inside your investor or money manager account. And then here you can also see your analytics. You can see your analyst views, the market news, trade calculator, and then the trading signals as well. And down here at the bottom, you have different settings regarding your security of your profile, and then the trading terminals. So that's what you basically have to know when it comes to this left-hand panel over here. And then up here at the very top, you also have the option to open up like kind of some quick apps. You have the market analysis, trading signals, trade, etc. So this is kind of the quick navigation bar. Here you can just go ahead and search whatever things you're looking for inside here. So you can quick search things inside the portal. And here you can either full screen or open in a new tab. Like this, there we go. You can see all your notifications over here. You can scroll down, view all of them, mark them all as read, etc. And you also have the quick actions up here. If you would like to basically turn this either to light mode or to dark mode, you can just click that switch and it's going to happen in an instant. And up here you also have your account where you can change the language, you can log out, or again see your profile info and change it as well. So that's pretty much how to use WinProFX. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.